Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. A blue summer cocktail is on our menu today. Hey y'all, we back. We back with Thirsty Thursdays. Y'all know I'm always thirsty. Be for real, I'm always thirsty. All right, so let me tell you what we need for this drink. This drink we're gonna use Ciroc, summer watermelon, and a hypnotic. We're gonna use for garnish maraschino cherries and pineapples. So what you need a cup. Do not need ice cubes down in your drink unless you want to. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use an ice cube in this cup to mix it up, and I'm gonna be right now. All right, so once we get the ice in the cup, so it just depends on if you're doing shots or if you are doing, a full glass of drink. So that's what I'm doing. I'm not gonna do shots right now. So what you need equal amounts of this. So this means you can use whatever container you want to use. You just need to use equal amounts of these and then garnish it because it's great. All right, so I already got ice. I already got ice in the shaker. So, all right, we're gonna do this really quickly. Yes. All right, and this one too. All right, it's good, right? Check that out. All right, that's not gonna be enough. You know what? I'm gonna do another sugar of each. Only because I want a full glass, so. All right. So you can put ice in the glass if you want to. I just don't want to. I just want to make the drink cold and then garnish it. So I don't want to do that in the glass, and I don't want to use the ice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shake it a little bit. I'm going to shake this just a little bit just to get it cold. So that's what's happening with this. We just want to get it nice and cold, which is good, so you can already see the condensation on the outside of here, so you know already. All right, so I'm gonna let that sit for a couple seconds. We're gonna get that cold. Meanwhile, we're gonna thread our garnish onto a toothpick. All right, so we've got the cherries and we got the pineapples. You're gonna thread this on the toothpick really nicely. Right, because you can put this down in the drink because obviously you can eat it when you're done. So I'm gonna do this way, and then I'm going to, here we go. Put a little cherry on it. Put another. So try to make sure these are almost like the same size. It's almost gonna be like drunken fruit. It depends on how long you nurse your drink before you eat your fruit. So almost be like drunken fruit. How about that? All right. Well, see? That's good. That's nice. So now you can do one or two things with this fruit too. You can lay it across the top in a cup like that, or you can put it down in there. So just, it's your preference. It really is. All right, check this out. Give our drink a little shake again and pour it out. Check that out. So me, I prefer to put mine down in there. Make mine drunken fruit for real. Alright, this is me. Area up a little bit. Uh-oh. Stuff another cocktail napkin and bam. That's it. That's our drink. Alright, we back. We up to my favorite part. The tasting part, yes. So I'll put that down in there. Check that out. This is really good and it's refreshing. So this is a nice, cool drink. I did decide after all to put a piece of ice in here. So it just depends on if you like ice in your drink, or some people don't because it gets watered down. So it just depends on if you like ice in yours or not. But it was cold coming out of there, but I just still wanted ice in here because I want to keep my fruit cold too. So I want to keep my drunken fruit cold. That's a cool, nice, and refreshing drink. So this is good. This is good for shots. This is good in a glass. So this is good, like I said. You want to impress somebody. You want to do dinner for two. You want to serve a cocktail. This is a good one. This is a really good one. All right, go make this. Go make this and drink it. All right, thanks for watching. See y'all next time. As always, I appreciate you. Hit that like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.